Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate an open leads report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the sales module. Here, we have to select the sales dashboard menu under the sales module. Now the sales dashboard page will be displayed on the screen. On this page, we have to select the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. After clicking the submit button, the job details will be shown on the sales dashboard page. Now we have to click the open leads button. On this sales dashboard open leads page, the details will be shown. If you want to download this detail, just click on the options menu. Then we have to click on the download button. This is how to generate an open leads report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.